In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a lengthy report, a thesis, or any document that could use some navigation, a table of contents is a crucial tool that enhances the document's usability. Let's dive right in and set up a table of contents in Word for seamless access to your document's key sections. To get started, you'll need to go to Free Microsoft 365 Online. This is a fantastic online suite that offers you access to Microsoft Word without needing a subscription, which is perfect if you're on a budget or just looking for a quick tool. Once you've navigated to the Microsoft 365 Online page, you'll want to look for the Sign In button. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can use your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one. Don't worry, this step is generally quick and straightforward. After signing in, the dashboard will present you with various applications. Here you'll want to click on Word. This will open up Microsoft Word in your browser, offering you either a new blank document or access to your existing files. For today's tutorial, work on a new or current document where you need to insert a table of contents. With your document open, you'll locate the Insert tab on the Word ribbon at the top of the page. This section of the ribbon is packed with tools that allow you to add different elements to your document, such as images, charts, and of course tables of contents. Click on the Insert tab to reveal these options. Now that you're in the Insert section, it's time to add our table of contents. You'll notice an option specifically labeled Table of Contents. Click on this to see a drop-down menu that provides a few preset styles for your table. These styles are designed to automatically pull from your existing document headings. If you haven't already formatted your document properly with headings, you might want to take a moment to do that now, as it ensures your table of contents will generate correctly. With the table of contents inserted, Word will automatically fill it with the headings from your document, allowing readers to click on any section in the table to jump directly to it. This feature is incredibly useful for long documents where navigation can otherwise be cumbersome. If your document evolves and you add more sections later, updating the table of contents is just a simple click away. Just remember to select Update Table to refresh the links. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create a navigable table of contents in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. An organized document is a useful document, so take this knowledge and apply it to all your future Word projects. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.